Hi. So we have created this Google spreadsheet which allows you to open files through voice commands. And so what it basically does is we have a list of files over here, and these files are present in this folder. And we have a menu over here, and I can click this menu. And when I click the button, it asks me for authorization for the first time. So I allow it to access the files through my account. So now when I click on this link, it allows me to open, it gives me this side panel. And in this panel, we have this button. When I click on this button, I can say name of any of the files. Let's say Q10. So it searches for this keyword in the folder, and it allows me to open the file from this link. I can just click here and it opens the file in Google. Similarly, I can say let A2. There you go. So this is the A2 file. Similarly, I can add as many names over here and as many files in my drive folder, and this should work. Let me know if you need any further changes. Thank you very much.